Are you wondering how to send Bitcoin from Cash App? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to transfer your Bitcoin safely and easily. First, open your Cash App and tap on the Bitcoin tab located at the bottom of the screen. If you don't see any Bitcoin, make sure you've purchased some first. You can do that by tapping by Bitcoin and selecting the amount you want. Once you have Bitcoin in your account, tap the send icon or choose Send Bitcoin. You'll then be asked to enter the amount you want to send. You can switch between Bitcoin and USD to make it easier to choose the exact value. Next, you'll need the recipient's Bitcoin address. This is a long string of letters and numbers, or you can scan their QR code directly from Cash App. Make sure to double-check the address because crypto transactions can't be reversed once sent. After you enter the address, tap Next. Cash App will show you a preview of the transaction, including network fees. Confirm that all the details are correct, then tap Send. Depending on the Bitcoin network, the transfer might take a few minutes to confirm. You can track the progress of your transaction directly inside Cash App. Keep in mind, Cash App only supports Bitcoin withdrawals to standard Bitcoin addresses, not Lightning or other cryptocurrencies. And that's it. You've successfully sent Bitcoin from your Cash App wallet. Simple, fast, and secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and share it with a friend who's getting started with Bitcoin.